How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Striker-1 Dash light. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Striker-1 go into your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug. And then you'll see your sync cable here with the ability to sync multiple units as well. Now let's get this unit hooked up to power and go over some of the functions. Today I'm going to be using my optional SIG plug, so I'll go ahead and get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up, and then I'll plug it into power here. And then on my cigarette lighter, I have my on-off switch here so I can activate my unit. And then I have my flash pattern changer here so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a steady burn override feature here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, you'll see your unit will go to steady burn, so you can easily access that function off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring an amber unit with me today, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in single and dual color. So let's go over a couple of those options. So here I brought a red, blue, dual color unit. Now on this unit, your white cable will be your color mode changer. So you can simply switch between color mode A, color mode B, and color mode AB by tapping your white cable to a positive connection. And then I brought a green unit and a clear unit as well. Now again, we do offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in single and dual color models. So I went ahead and attached my optional windshield visor here, and then we have our surface mount end caps as an option, and we do have the ability to weatherproof this unit if you need to exterior mount. And then we have our 90-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the back track of your unit, like so. And then we have our 360-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the side of your unit with the replacement end caps, like so. And then you have the ability to rotate this bracket 360 degrees. And then you can also use this bracket as an L bracket as well. And then we have our static headliner bracket, and again, this will attach to the back track of your unit, like so. And then we have our adjustable headliner bracket, and the difference here is you can move your unit forward or backward if you need to adjust for your headliner. And again, this will attach to the back track of your unit, like so. So you'll see that we have plenty of interior and exterior mounting options for your unit. So that covers all of the features of our Striker-1 Dash light. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.